Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're signed into iCloud and have chosen a date. Now open the Calendar app and position the view to the correct month or week. Tap or click the target date and time to drop a provisional event. Once done, double-click or tap the event to expand editing fields. Make sure the title is concise and descriptive. You're starting with essential info so notifications and availability work correctly, and this setup speeds the rest of the process. You now fill in the meat of the event. Type the title and location, then add notes or attachments if needed. Use the start and end times to set duration, and choose an alert so you get reminded. Once set, pick availability to mark busy or free. If attendees are required, add their emails and send invitations. Make sure you select the correct calendar color and any repeat pattern so the event appears correctly across devices and persists as intended. You're almost finished. Hit Save or Done to commit the event, then watch it sync to your other devices through iCloud. Once saved, confirm the event appears on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. If it doesn't show up, force a refresh by toggling Calendar Sync or signing out and back into iCloud. If alarms or invites fail, make sure notification permissions are enabled and email addresses are correct. This single troubleshooting step resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.